Good morning, children. Open your new Sparkle semester series, Standard First, Semester Second book. Lesson number 9, A Surprise Treat. This is the second revision. A surprise treat. We have already learned the lesson. Yes or no? So, a surprise treat what they have given to their mother. Today is a Sunday, it is a holiday. Tarun and Tanya have a plan. What they have done, it was Sunday. They have planned. Tarun and Tanya had planned. Mother has been busy today. She was busy. She cleaned all the rooms. She washed and wiped the doors and windows. Mother was tired. She was tired. Are you tired, mother? She's asking. Yes, Tanya, I am tired. Mother, just sit here and rest. Yes, Tarun, I need rest. Come on, Dad. Come on, Tanya. Father, Tarun and Tanya work in the kitchen. Now, Father, Tarun and Tanya, they all are working in the kitchen and mother is taking rest. Come to the kitchen. Mom, come and see. Mom, they ask their mother to enter the kitchen. Oh, did you prepare all these things? Yes, mother. We prepared these items, all of us. Me, brother, and father, we have prepared. Family enjoys soup, sandwiches, and salad. Mother said, "What a treat! Thank you, children." A surprise treat means what? The thing which is not surprise, it was not told before. It was an thing which is not told to anybody. It was secret, you can say. Okay, and this was the treat given by the children to their mother. Now let's see the question answers. This is the revision going on. Lesson number 9. Now, question answers here. Exercise. Yes. Why was mother tired? Yes. Mother was tired because she cleaned all the rooms. Exercise. Answer the following questions in one sentence each. Why was mother tired? Mother was tired because she cleaned all the rooms. Who prepared the meal for the family? Father, Tarun and Tanya prepared the meal for the family. What was there for the treat? For treat, what was there? They prepared soup, sandwiches, and salad for the treat. Okay. Then select the right words and fill in the blanks. This is the second one. A. It was Sunday. Dash children had a had a plan. The children had a plan. C1. The children prepared sandwiches. Okay. Now these words you can read. You can read at home these all words. Now list the chorus. List the chores that are done in a house every day. One example has been done for you. Use the words from the brackets. Washing, chopping, grinding, crushing, then greeding, cutting, mixing. Washing pots and pans. Grating coconut. Mixing butter and eggs. Then crushing bottles. grinding chilies, grinding chilies. In this way you have to write. Do all the revision. Different methods of cooking and show below. Observe the pictures, select the correct word from the brackets and write it below the picture. See here. This is frying, roasting, baking, steaming. Steaming, frying, baking, roasting. Speaking skill. Prepare a vegetable salad with the help of your mother. Okay, you also prepare vegetable salad and then explain the procedure how you made it in your own words to your class in the next day. Writing skill. Write any two types of work you do at home on Sunday or on a holiday. Write any two types of then. Activity, grammar. Capital letters and full stop. The capital letters and the full stop. Learn. Every sentence begins with the capital letter and ends with a full stop. All proper nouns begins with the capital letter. Example, Tarun and Tanya are friends. A dog is running. Rewrite the sentences using capital letters and full stops. One example has been done for you. So, here what will you write? The capital. Okay. A1, the capital. THE, the. GIRL, girl. IS is skipping with a rope. Okay. See here. The girl is skipping with a rope. Second one, Manoj is running a race. The boy is eating sandwich. Nina is reading a storybook. He likes cycling. She loves cooking. The girl is skipping with a rope. See here. Manoj is running a race. The boy is eating sandwich. Nina is reading a storybook. He likes cycling. She loves cooking. Challenge. Rearrange the words and rewrite each sentences. I love my mother. I love my mother. I rewrite here. Can you see, no? Yes. I love mother. I love my mother. My school, I love going to. I love going to my school. Meena, Tina and friends are. Meena and Tina are friends. Okay. In this way, you have to read and write. Have you understood the story? The lesson? It's just like a story only. Yes or no? It's just like a story only. So, a surprise treat is a very good lesson. You also can help your mother in doing the work. Okay, children. Page number 11 to 14. Writing whatever is there. Write for 2 times and learn by heart. This is the revision second. Okay. A surprise treat. Yesterday we have completed what? Tarun and Tanya work in the garden. That was the first revision. And today's second lesson, second revision, that is a surprise treat. Okay. Write from page number 11 to 14 for 2 times. For 2 times. 11 you are no writing anything, only read the lesson, that is surprise treat. From 12 to 14 what you do, from question answer till challenge you have to write for seer challenge. You have to write for 2 times and learn by heart. With this we will meet in the next video, children. Thank you.